Do you want to know how to teach your kids the Arabic alphabet without hiring a professional? Then this video is for you. It's very simple and we'll explain in this video how you can do it in your own home. First, let's discuss the age. At what age should you begin teaching your kids the Arabic alphabet? The answer is that it depends on the child. Some kids can grasp it as early as 3 while others need to be older. Many parents usually begin introducing letters around 4.5. This is the age we suggest as well. Step 1. Print out the letters. At this stage, kids want things hands-on. They want tangible objects to hold and touch. So we suggest you print out the Arabic letters on construction paper and cut them individually out. Here are some examples. For your convenience, we have included a link in the description to print them out. Step 2. Introduce letters. After you have cut them out, then start by introducing one letter a week. Show it to them and repeat it over and over again and make them repeat it back to you. Don't spend too long on it but just a few minutes a day. We also suggest that you write each new letter daily on a piece of paper in a large font and have them either color or painted during the week. This will help with retention. Within a week, your child should be able to identify the letter and know it. Some kids do pick it up faster than others, in which case, you can increase to 2 or more letters a week. Every child is different, so just keep a close eye on your own child's capability and pace. The objective is to make them master the letters. Every time you show them a learned letter, they should be able to say it on their own without hesitation. You also want to make sure at this step that you pronounce them correctly. We have provided a link in the description to another video from our channel that teaches you how to correctly pronounce each Arabic letter. Step 3. Test them. Every 2 to 3 days, you must test your child by showing them random letters that they have already learned to see if they can identify them on their own without hesitation. If they forget or hesitate, then you need to work on that letter more by repeating the process in step 2. If you take the above steps, then after a few months your child should have a strong grasp of all the Arabic letters and you can now move on to the next step, which is introducing the letters in a joined format. We hope to go over those steps in a future video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with others. Thank you.